talk a little bit about, we've talked about fintechs, the creative offers and products that our credit unions can offer because of innovating with fintech. And there's been some research this year from Cornerstone Advisors that says credit unions' top challenge in improving technology efficiency, taking some of those costs out, as we've heard from Raj, are a lack of integration between systems, these legacy systems, and new technologies and applications. And this Cornerstone report also says that on the average, credit union executives believe they could realize nearly 1.3 million from improving technology efficiency through consolidating some of their internal things and getting better integrations. And Raj, you said it, automating like technology workflows. I'd like to quickly have Felipe Torqueto talk a little bit about modern integration strategies in technology. You've been in technology deeply for the last decade, Torqueto. How are new technologies helping reduce the costs and actually remove the friction for credit unions?
Well, um, first and foremost, right, modern integration. So it's not exactly what an end user is looking for, right? So yes, C-levels and everybody else inside have a very big job integrating those systems because they know the importance. Although for the end user perspective, right? I'm an end user and I want what? I want next gen banking, for example. But in Raj position, for example, Raj is okay, everybody wants next-gen banking, but I do have legacy. I do have many fintechs to integrate with. I have many partners. I have legacy core banks. I have a lot of things to deal with. First and foremost, analyzing the integrations that we have in-house today. Is that enough? And normally the answer is no, because nobody's doing integrations in a way that, okay, I need to focus in integration and automation itself before, and then the big features, the big stuff that I'm going to deliver to my end user will come naturally, right? So this is the most important part, which is acknowledge the problem with integration, right? Because Lisa, me and you, we were talking to credit unions and they are saying to us, yes, I love fintechs. I love what they deliver to me, to the value. And also for the community, I love everything, the value that they are delivering, although integrating with is a nightmare, right? It's costly. So first and foremost, acknowledgement. The second part is integration in legacy is not necessarily a bad thing. So legacy brings the credit union and the community where they are today, and they are not small, right? Like Susan mentioned, they are big. We have a very huge community of credit union, and the systems and everything that they had brought them here. The point is, today we need to leverage next gen technology and keep in mind that the next generation integration needs to have focus on legacy as well, leveraging what the legacy, what you have inside, and then enhance it for the end user, for the member, which is the most important part. So the strategy itself, it's legacy friendly. And remember, it's legacy friendly, right? We're going to integrate with legacy as well, leveraging the new, enabling the credit unions and enabling ecosystems. The key word is ecosystems, always enabling ecosystems for the balance sheet, like Raj said, how fast a credit union can deliver. With a solid integration strategy, they can be creative faster. This is the most important part. So for me, those layers add up to the modern integration. Do not forget legacy. Yes, they are important, although we need to leverage the new as well. With that, I think we have a balance between spending over allowing and enabling the credit unions to create this ecosystem.